today I brought snickerdoodle cannoli dip.
What is that? Who was like cannoli? We should turn that into a dip. And thank you for being vulnerable and telling us about your experience, because I do think that people start thinking that you're so isolated when you're out there on your own in the job world, not realizing that everybody else is kind of going through the same things. I think sharing these kind of things is really helpful, and also for people to just kind of think about better ways of doing things. Meal snacking, is that a thing? Should we trademark?
I think it should be a thing.
Meal snacking. Like, tell me about your meal snacking habits.